Hello children, again I am here to teach you computer. So take out your books and we will go ahead with chapter number 3. The next topic, take out page number 29. Page number 29. Today's topic is setting orientation. In the last video I have finished off with this margin. We have finished off with the margin thing. Now we will be starting with the setting orientation. Page number 29. Now, orientation refers to the direction along the length or along the width in which the page is printed. The paper orientation can be either portrait document printed along with the width of the paper or landscape document printed along with the length of the paper. So these three lines are very important. Please underline this. In these three lines, they are telling orientation is referred to the direction. Direction means the length and the width in which the page is being printed. And the paper orientation can be either in portrait or in landscape. If a question arises, paper orientation can be done in how many types? You can say 2 types, that is portrait and the landscape. The default page orientation in MS Word is portrait. Now, the default portrait in MS Word, the default orientation is portrait. If you don't like portrait, then you can change to landscape. But default is given as portrait in MS Word. The steps to change the orientation of the page are as follows. Now, how to change the steps orientations? There are 3 steps given. First, click on the layout tab and move to page setup, group and select orientation command. Now what you have to do is, again you will be able to see this kind of screen, page figure 3.8. In this, file, home, insert, design and layout. You will be clicking on layout. Then when you will click on layout, then you will be seeing these kinds of things. Margin we have done last time. Now you have to be on, when you want to do the setting orientation, you will be going on the orientation. Now here you can see the portrait and the landscape. Whatever you want, you can just click on that and it will be opened for you. Second, a drop down menu with 2 options will appear. See, drop down menu means this down arrow will be there, and in down you will see portrait and landscape. The third step, select any one option and see the page in 2 different orientation, that is portrait or landscape. Again the same thing is given what I have told you here. So this is how we can change to a portrait or a landscape in our setting orientation, where we want to set the page. Portrait means this will be lengthwise and landscape means it will be the width size. Now the second topic, setting paper size. The paper tab of the page setup dialog box allows us to choose any of the given paper size from the paper size drop down list. You also have the option to set your own width and height of the page. Now, setting the paper size means you can select your paper size how you want. For that, just go to figure 3.9. You can see here page setup is there. Then margin, paper and layout. For page setup, you have to go to the paper option. Here you can see that. So here children, what you have to do is you will go to the margin. Already we have done in the last topic. We will not go to the margin option. We will go to the paper option. Then in the paper option, what you have to do is you will select the size. Here drop down menu is there. You will be able to see kinds of paper. They have selected A4 size paper. If you want A4 size, you can select A4 size also. Then paper source, first page, other pages, last page, these are the options also given here. then you can select which type you want, and then you can select on which page also you can type here. Then after doing it, you can see that what you have chosen, and after choosing how your paper looks. To click on this preview, it will show you this preview option, that how your paper can be set up, how your paper is looking like. Then apply to whole document or first page or second page, where. So in drop down menu you can select on what paper you want to select it. Then print option is also there. Right now we don't need print option. Then the last one is the OK one. If everything is okay, you have seen the preview. If you are okay with everything, then click on OK and you can see how your document looks like. So this is a small thing. Today we have completed 2 topics, that is setting orientation and the setting of paper size. Just do the revision of this at your home in your laptops or your desktop. And this is a very small thing, so you can do it on your own also. Then in the next video, we will be starting with next topic. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.